Welcome back to our channel where we share with you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting topic that you might not have heard before. In this video, we're going to show you how to make $1,000 by just listening to a song online. Yes, you heard it right. It's possible to earn money by just listening to a song. We know that sounds crazy, but trust us, it's real, and it's happening right now. So, stay tuned to learn more about this amazing opportunity. The platform. The first thing you need to do is find a platform that pays you for listening to songs. There are several websites and apps out there that pay users for listening to music. Some of the most popular platforms are Swagbucks, MusicSray, and Slice30. These platforms work with record labels and music producers who are looking for feedback on their music. By listening to their songs, you provide valuable feedback that helps them improve their music and make it more appealing to the masses. How it works. Once you've signed up for one of these platforms, the next step is to start listening to songs. The process is quite simple. You'll be presented with a list of songs to choose from. You can select the genre you're interested in and start listening. As you listen to the song, you'll be asked to rate it based on various factors such as lyrics, melody, and overall appeal. The more songs you listen to and rate, the more money you'll earn. Tips to maximize your earnings. Now that you know how to get started, here are a few tips to help you maximize your earnings. Choose songs that you're interested in. It's important to listen to songs that you enjoy because you'll be more likely to provide useful feedback. When you listen to a song that you like, you'll be able to give more detailed feedback and your opinion will be more valuable to the record labels and producers. Be honest in your ratings. Don't be afraid to give honest feedback. Your opinion matters, and it helps the record labels and producers improve their music. If you feel that a song needs improvement, let them know. If you think a song is great, let them know that too. Listen to as many songs as possible. The more songs you listen to, the more money you'll earn. So, try to listen to as many songs as possible. However, don't sacrifice quality for quantity. Make sure you're providing valuable feedback on each song you listen to. Stay consistent. To make a decent amount of money, you need to be consistent. So, try to listen to songs every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. By staying consistent, you'll be able to earn more money in a shorter amount of time. Share your referral code. Most of these platforms offer referral bonuses. So, share your referral code with your friends and family to earn extra money. When someone signs up using your referral code, you'll earn a bonus. Check for other earning opportunities. Some platforms offer additional earning opportunities besides listening to music. For example, Swagbucks allows you to earn points by watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. So, be sure to check out all the earning opportunities available to you. Don't expect to get rich overnight. While it's possible to make money by listening to music, don't expect to get rich overnight. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it will take time and effort to earn a significant amount of money. However, if you're consistent and committed, you can earn a decent amount of money over time. How much can you earn? The amount of money you can earn by listening to music varies depending on the platform and the number of songs you listen to. Generally, you can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per song. The more songs you listen to, the more money you'll earn. Some platforms also offer bonuses for reaching certain milestones, such as listening to a certain number of songs or referring a certain number of people. So, it's possible to earn a significant amount of money if you're committed and consistent. Payment methods. Most of these platforms offer various payment methods, including PayPal, gift cards, and bank transfers. Some platforms may have a minimum threshold that you need to reach before you can withdraw your earnings. So, be sure to check the payment options and thresholds before you start listening to songs. In conclusion, listening to music can be a fun and easy way to earn money online. By providing valuable feedback to record labels and producers, you can help them improve their music and earn money at the same time. However, it's important to remember that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it will take time and effort to earn a significant amount of money. So, stay committed, stay consistent, and keep listening to music. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember that every little bit counts. Even if you're only earning a few cents per song, those cents add up over time. Stay consistent, and keep listening to songs every day. Set goals for yourself, such as reaching a certain number of songs listened to or earning a certain amount of money per week. And most importantly, have fun with it. Listening to music can be a great way to relax and unwind, and now you can earn money while doing it. So, keep pushing yourself, stay positive, and keep working towards your goals. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Don't let doubts or fears hold you back. Keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and trying new things. Remember that every successful person started somewhere, and you're on your way to success too. Visualize your success. Imagine yourself achieving your financial goals by just listening to music online. Imagine the feeling of pride and accomplishment you'll have when you see your earnings start to add up. Use this visualization as motivation to keep going, even when it feels tough. Find support. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who encourage you and believe in your goals. Join online communities or forums where you can connect with others who are also making money by listening to music. Share your successes and challenges with others, and offer support to those who need it. Together, you can achieve great things. Remember why you started. Keep in mind the reasons why you decided to start making money by listening to music. Whether it's to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or simply to have some extra spending money, remind yourself of your goals and stay focused on them. Celebrate your progress along the way, and never lose sight of what you're working towards. In summary, believe in yourself, visualize your success, find support, and remember why you started. With these tools in your arsenal, you can achieve anything you set your mind to, including making money by just listening to a song online. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep going.